Good afternoon. My name is Oscar with O&D General Contractor. Today is Sunday, April 28, 2024. I'm in Germantown, Maryland, about to do a repair attempt video for Allstate. But before I start with the process of repairing this shingle, I'm gonna show you an overview of the front slope, damages in the front slope, a good amount of missing shingles, some creases. Missing shingle, creases on the dormer, and more missing shingles. Now let me take you back to the back slope where we have creases, missing shingles over there. The shingle that we're gonna try to repair is the one over here. This is the shingle that we're gonna try to repair. It's a missing shingle right there. So basically what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna explain a little bit the process. I'm gonna break the seal of the shingle above this line and that line. In order to take this off, probably it's 1, 2, 3, since it's a 3-top shingle. And I'm by myself, so I'm gonna try to do my best to record this. And to do that, I'm gonna use my toolbox, which I have right there, and my tools that I'm gonna use to do the repair: a 10, a hammer, flat barge, and the shingle that we're gonna place over here. So stay with me. First, I'm gonna try to accommodate the phone so I can get the best image. And like I said, I'm by myself, so stay with me for a little bit. I think it's a pretty good image right there. Okay, a little bit to over here, and we're gonna try to do our best, okay, to record this. We have a little bit of material transfer right over here. problem that we have over here is that there's some material transfer from this shingle and the previous shingle, and also the shingle is so brittle. Look at this. It's brittle that it's creating like crease right there and a crease right there. It's losing a lot of granule because it's so brittle. Probably discontinued. Yeah, this shingle is probably discontinued. So that's the problem that we have. If you guys see right there, it's creating a crease, it's creating a crease, and it's creating a crease right there. With that being said, I don't think this shingle is repairable. To do the about 30 repairs, like 15 and probably another 15 in the back, it's a whole lot. I don't think this shingle is repairable. Thank you.